Hey guys, it's been a hot minute. It's been like 2 months since I've posted a video on here. I'm sorry. I don't even know what happened. I think I lost the account, and I have like so many YouTube accounts that I don't even know which one to post on. But I'm gonna be posting on here a lot more than I will be. So today's video is gonna be my goals for 2022 and how I will achieve them in 2022. I didn't really want to do like a vlog today just because I'm really unmotivated today. So I wanted to post something for you guys. I just didn't want to like get up and do stuff. But I have notes of my 2022 goals for 2022, and I'm gonna read them out for you. So if you really enjoy this video, please subscribe down below and click the bell so that you can be notified every time I make a new video, which will be every 2 months. I'm playing. It'll probably be every week, like my thumbnail says. Yeah. Okay, so my goals for 2022. My first goal is get a following on YouTube. Right now I have 68 subscribers, so my goal is most likely 1,000 or 300. Really big goal, but I can do that. Hopefully I will get that in 2022 or after 2022, so 2023. My number 2 is get more work ethic. I have a really bad work ethic. My work ethic is not there. Like, I have none. If I go to school and they're like work, I work on the things I need to work on, and then that's it. Like, I don't know. Number 3 is going to trip. This will most likely not happen because I don't go on trips. My number 4, be a better person. This is a very highly one on my list just because I'm not the best person that I want to be. So being a better person will most likely make me a better person. Yeah. Okay, my number 5 is be nicer and be happier. I can't really force myself to be happy, but I can really change being nice. I'm not the nicest of the person. If that makes any sense. I'm not a nice person if you get to know me. So hopefully I can change that and be a nicer person for my friends and my family. My number 6 is get good grades. I do not have the best of grades. I think I passed this semester, but barely. I think I barely passed. So hopefully I can like actually pass with flying colors. And I also want to pass so I can go to college and get a good job, and have kids and have family and stuff. So all of this will most likely lead up to me getting older and getting a family and stuff. Does that make any sense? I don't even know what I'm saying right now. Number 7, this will not happen. Get a boyfriend. I've been wanting a boyfriend, but like you need to wait for the time for you to actually be able to have the right mindset and love yourself before you get a boyfriend. But I'm pretty much love myself. Like, what are you waiting for? Like, let me have a boyfriend already. Number 8, love people. I have a very hard time loving people, but I think it's hard for me to really show loving people when I love people, so I push them away. But I really want to help. I really want to like start not doing that. And that is all of my goals. I'll probably write down more, but that's all of them for today. My main goal is most likely to get a following on YouTube to inspire people and get better work ethic and be nicer. Those are like my top 3. Anyway, I really hope you did enjoy this video. I know it was a little bit short, but I'll see you guys in the next YouTube video, and yeah. Okay, bye.